Hi everyone, in front of me I've got REALME Pad Mini and let me share with you how to reset up preferences on this device. So first of all we have to enter the settings, and then in this section we have to find apps and notifications. They should be on the third position. Now let's tap on see all 36 apps, of course 36 in my case, and then tap on the three dots icon in the right upper corner. Tap on Reset Up Preferences, and as you can see, your device will inform you what actually it will reset. So the preferences for disabled apps and the notifications, default apps for actions, background data restrictions for apps, and basically any permission restrictions. What's more, no worries, you won't lose any app data, so simply tap on Reset Apps. And basically that's all. This is how to reset up preferences in your REALME Pad Mini. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.